Hello, today is Monday. It is the 16th of April. It is 2012. Welcome to today's silver analysis. And it is 10 o'clock a.m. as I'm doing this particular video. Let's get started. Okay, so on the daily chart, I've been stating for so long that it's been this extremely tight range, taking its sweet little time to go to 30. Even if it goes there today, it took its sweet little time. It's taken its sweet little time maybe to create this failed breakdown or bear trap and then break above this neckline. If it breaks above this neckline today, it would have taken its sweet little time. I don't think either one will occur within the day. And we are seeing a situation where margins are going to be affected. I'll talk about that at the end of this particular video, but basically key thing is next level of support here is 30 on breaking down below really around 31. And then the next resistance level, there's a whole ton of it here in this 33 area. And then breaking above 33, you're pretty much looking at about 34 and change as the next level before the 37. On the weekly chart now. And within this, it looks as if big plays could be coming into the situation, and here's why. Well, if we break down, right now we're barely holding above this 18 period average of lows, and this is a front weighted average as well, that if 30 doesn't hold, then the next level is in here. But here's the big kicker, and that is the more often that you test support, the more likely it is that you take it out where support may not even be found. Sort of like, okay, you find a bounce here, you find a bounce here, and you break well down below here. You know, that could happen possibly again if we start to see this thing breaking down and we're now below 29.10ish or so. Then it's looking as if things are not going to be so great. Now, if we go down to the 30 handle and we're down to 29.85, that's still pretty much in the 30 area. Now, on the flip side, as far as the neckline is concerned, there's really the two levels here. One is the 33.58, which is where this line is drawn up, and then even up to about 35.5 as another area as well within this resistance range. Just like this was tested a bunch of times, well, really so is this as well. And by finding support either now or at 30-ish area, and then making a move back up to this level, the probability odds are going to be quite high that you break through that level and then maybe come up and test the previous high, roughly at around 43 to 44 an ounce. Now, the margins are being changed so that you can basically have more of a leverage within your portfolio. And when these big smackdowns occur, that's because they would lower the margin requirement or raise margin requirements. They made it so that you needed less margin, and therefore it got people out of their positions and down she went. So now is it going to, for sure, we're going to see higher prices because of this? Because after today's over, which is 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern time today, then that means that people will have be able to get more for their buck, as one might state, and can get more shares, if you will. Thus, that could help drive the prices higher. Now, what's a little concerning is that this could be, I don't know if it's what the likelihood of this is happening, but you could have a situation where this could really bring the market a heck of a lot lower because of the fact that people are able to get more positions within leverage. If those positions happen to be short positions, then this thing could just obliterate. Now, if that does happen, given that they're given the news that, oh, the silver and copper is supposed to be going way higher, or it's going to be going higher prices because of this, then it probably will be doing that both on a bullish or bearish situation. Because on a bearish situation, oh yeah, we're going to bring this up, maybe up to wherever, and then boom, down she goes. because they're going to try to trap you all in, all that kind of stuff, as different possibilities for where they will be taking this. Now, as far as some future projections for silver is concerned, later tonight, probably around 7:30 Eastern Time, I'm going to be going over multiple different projections using this weekly chart, looking 21 weeks ahead in the future, and go through different possible scenarios, but at the same time, really write a little book about technical analysis. And it's not a book, it's a video book more than anything, about different trade setups. So when I made the charts intentionally, I intentionally put in some different common subject grounds to talk about. That'll be on at 7:30. And the reason why I'm waiting to put this up is because, quite frankly, I have not been happy with the subscription feature on YouTube for users who upload multiple video files, where if they'll show you the most recent video, yes, but if I upload 2 videos in a row, then oftentimes the first one can get trapped in the loophole. So I'm going to, instead of uploading this right after this one, I'm going to upload it around 7:30 p.m. Eastern Time today. And thank you for tuning in, and have yourself a great day. Bye-bye.